Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter for PipFarm users or things you probably don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for PipFarm right now, and a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get the best PipFarm experience. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc totally free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. Top 3 VPN services for PipFarm and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for PipFarm. Why? First, it works seamlessly with PipFarm. That's super important, obviously. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and great download and upload speeds, all crucial for smooth PipFarm use. Features, it has more features than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Perfect for keeping your PipFarm connection stable and secure. Pricing and support, solid price for what you get, plus top-notch support. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech out there, ideal for protecting your PipFarm data and privacy. Overall, super easy to use, really fast, no issues, and pretty affordable for what it offers. Negatives, 10 device limit. Second best VPN for PipFarm is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just a smooth PipFarm experience. Features, it covers all the essentials PipFarm users need, plus a few extras. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route just PipFarm through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there. Usually cheaper than competitors, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No way. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Top-tier stuff, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for pure PipFarm performance and great value. Third best VPN for PipFarm is Private Internet Access. That's PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and the most customization out of the three. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you'll always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby for PipFarm. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and tons of customization options. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget but want a huge network and advanced features for PipFarm. And that's it, my top 3 picks for PipFarm: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just by their logo or colors, you'll be more than fine. They all work perfectly with PipFarm. Quick recap to wrap up: if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for PipFarm, with a premium experience packed with features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set it and forget it PipFarm VPN that gives you incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a massive server network and tons of advanced features for PipFarm. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can grab the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.